Inheritance in Python sounds complicated, but it's actually really simple. Don't believe me? Watch till the end and you'll agree with me. Inheritance means one class can use the code from another class. Instead of writing the same code again, Python lets us reuse it. Think about vehicles. A car is a vehicle, but it also has extra features like a horn. So instead of starting from scratch, the car just inherits from the vehicle. Let's see this in Python. So let's first create a class called, sorry for the capitalization, called vehicle. And the vehicle class have function called move, because cars can move. So we are creating a function called move, and the function prints the vehicle is moving. Okay. So this vehicle class is a parent class. And our car class, which we'll be creating, will inherit functions, and it's like whatever it is. And our car class, which will be the child class, will inherit function from the vehicle class. Now we say class car and vehicle. Here we are inheriting class vehicle, and we create a function here called honk, and honk prints beep beep. The car class inherits from the vehicle class. That means it automatically gets the move function. Now we will create object of car class and we will try to run it. Let's say my underscore car equals to car. Now we just created object of car, and then we'll call it using my underscore car, move, and honk. So now if we run it, it's going to print the vehicle is moving and beep beep. And the vehicle is moving was function of vehicle class, but we just inherited from but we inherited vehicle class in our car class, which was the child class. So we can call move function using the car class. Even though we never wrote the move function inside the car class, it still works because of inheritance. Here's another example. Now we will take example of a student. First, let's create a class called person, and person got a function called speak, and speaks function prints I can speak, because a person can speak, and it will be our parent class. And then comes our child class, class student, function study, self, print I am studying. Now we create object of student class, and then we call our functions. First we call speak, and then we call study function. So we inherited, okay, we forgot to inherit person here. Yeah, now the code is correct. So we just inherited person class in our student class. So we can call speak function using the student class. So if you run it, it will say I can speak, which was the part of the person class, and you can also call study function, which was the part of student class itself. A student is a person, so they inherit the ability to speak, and they also have their own behavior. Now let's talk about why inheritance matters. Inheritance helps you write cleaner code, reuse logic, and organize your programs better. It saves time and makes your code easier to understand. Now let's take a quick recap of this video. Parent class gives features, child class receives them and can add more. That's inheritance in Python. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more simple Python explanations. Thanks for watching.